99% of the artists already did this mistake. Guess what? Yes, coming to me, I would like to tell you what's the worst mistake the artists do in their career. Hello, my name is Claudio Tavares, and here you can see videos about artists, about events, about the arts performance. So subscribe to the channel and you can see every week new video for you. Today I would like to tell you what's the worst mistake the artists do in their career. Okay? Think about a professional, dancers, paintings, performance artists, actors, any kind of arts, okay? So, can you guess what's that? Yes, you're right. Work for free. Never, never, never work for free, artists. You know what? This is not good for your career. This is not good for the industry. This is not good for your friends, all right? So, all the arts need have value. Every art needs have your price, so you can manage what you can charge for the hour, for the 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, forever. But you cannot work for free. Okay? I will give you 2 reasons why not. First of all, the value. The value is the thing that you give you the most important career, okay? Because people can see you as a professional, okay? Somebody that work for do this job, study for do this job, give everything for the career. How many weekends you spend without your family? Yeah, with your friends. All right? So this is not fair for you. So you need to have a price for your job. Okay? So the second thing, very important, you understand, this is not good for the market. Okay? For the community. Because people can see artists, it's like, it is not job, or it is not nothing. You know, they're doing for fun, like they're doing because they love to do it and they don't need to charge, no, this is like same job that everyone has. You understand? So don't work for free because you give value for yourself, for the market, for the community, yeah? And also you can think like, if you start to do this, how many people can see you as no professional? How many people can see you like, so every time that you have a gig, they come to you, they ask you like, oh, can you come to my place or my event or my party to perform yourself? And then you ask, okay, how much is that? Oh, no, it's for free. Because you know why? Because everyone can see your performance, everyone can see what you do, your skill, Don't do that. This is not fair. It's not true. You don't need to go to TV and work for free because you need somebody to see you there. Okay? Have options, okay? And then end the video, I would like to tell you what's the option you have for that. Wait until the end of the video. I would like to explain to you what's the option for this situation. Okay? All right, let's go. Isaac Newton, the scientist Isaac Newton, the first law that physical they give to us, explained exactly what I would like to say to you, okay, about the universe. All right? So he said, for you move any object, you need to give some power. You need to give some force. Okay? And then this object can move. This is same for your career. For you take your career for the next level, you need to give some power there. You need to give some energy. You need to work for this. And then, if you work for free, this doesn't happen. Anything in the universe work for free. Everything needs some force in there. You understand? This is a universal law. It's not for you, not only for me, not only for the another artist, no, for everything. Okay? So this is just a little bit something I bring to you, because I think once we compare things around our family, our job, you know, our career, we can understand better. All right? So this is all more reason for you don't work for free. Of course, you can think like, maybe you ask me, but this is not the only thing that is not good for the arts. All right? Write for me. Write. Put in the comment. What's another thing that you don't like that art's doing? All right? Write for me, because I would like to do another video and have your comment in there. Yeah. Write what your opinion. Write what you think about this. Okay? So let's go. Who can ask you to work for free? Let's see. Friends, they ask you, hey, come to me, come to my place, let's do some performance. Family, of course. Business, all right. Any manager, event manager, okay. But they know when you go to the business, so the most people know this is not professional. Okay, but still people ask artists work for free. Yeah? So what can do? What's the option for this? You can ask them if it's like a friends or family, okay? You can ask them. If you don't want to charge, it's okay. I respect your opinion. But ask them what I can gain for this. What you can give to me. Okay, I can do the performance. I can paint, I can do anything. But what I gain for this? What you offer me? Maybe they have some voucher for you, you know, some shoes that you can dance better, a trip, they can pay a trip for you. Depends, we don't know. Okay, but in this way, they can see that you are professional. Okay. And then another chance, another opportunity they can think about, okay, so I don't have anything to give to them, but I can pay, and then you charge your price. All right? So if you have I have one situation in my career that's happened for me. I didn't charge, just one different way that this happened for me. Okay, once I graduate in dance, when I start my professional performance, professional career as a performer. Okay, so I really like the dance company that I saw in the dancing. You know, I really appreciate this company. I really like the choreography, the director, so the dancers, and I would like to make some class there. And they open vacancies for dancers, and they said to me, okay, come to us, make some class, learn the choreography, and for 3 months, for example. And these 3 months, in this gap, we don't pay you, because this is internship. All right? So once you graduate, you can do internship. Some internship can pay you, of course, all right? They can pay you like transport, food, anything. But some internship, they would like to know you. They would like to know your skill, what you offer, what you want for the company or for another job, all right? So this is something that different, because you know if you will be successful there, they start to pay you and you do what you want. Okay? And then of course this is good for them because they can know you more. You know, instead you go to gig or for a concert and work and dance for free or do some performance for free. They see your job there. They can see you better, closer. You understand? So let's think about your career. Let's think about what you plan what you want to do. Okay? In the next videos, I would like to tell you how you can plan, all right? How you can manage your career. Even you're the beginner or you're professional. Sometimes people need to manage more what to do, all right? So take your price, find out your price. How much would you charge for 1 hour, 2 hours? And then you know already if some clients come to you and ask you like, hey, how much you charge for 1 hour, 2 hours in my gig, in my concert, in my event? You know already, oh, okay, I charge this, I charge that, all right? And then you start to negotiate. Yes? So it's very important you solid in this situation. You know what can happen for you. You know what people can ask you to do. All right? But don't worry. In the next videos, I would like to give more tips for you what you can do in your career as an artist. Okay? Also, I have a lot of videos for events, for the organizers. How you can organize nice, very good event for the audience. Okay? So, just like the video, subscribe the channel, and you're the first one to have these new videos when it comes out. Okay? And then you please give me feedback. Write in the comments what you think about this. Okay? This will be very important for you support the channel. Okay? Thank you so much for your for watching this video. Thank you so much for coming to me and see this new opportunity for the industry. I come to you and share my experience, and would you like everyone be happy, everyone make this community more strong. Okay, let's work together, guys. Let's see like a beautiful place, change people's life for better. They know they need artists, they need us. The audience would like to see what your job, your performance, you know? So let's make some strong community for them, and I'm sure everyone will be happy. Okay? Bravoo. Bravoo is the online platform that connects arts and audience. This channel is special for Bravoo. Don't forget to go to the website, have a look in the website, because Bravoo can connect you and audience. Okay? It's a beautiful website. We have lots of arts in there, a lot of professional artists, pro artists in Bravoo. So wait for you. If you have any question, if you would like to ask something, please send us the email or just write in the comments, okay? But don't miss this opportunity, okay? Bravoo can help in your career. Bravoo can help you as an artist. And also, organizers, events organizers, they can find all the arts in there, okay? Thank you so much, appreciate, and see you in next video. Bye bye.